Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can pin a particular tab page over your Chrome browser. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the page you want to pin. Now for example, if I open this chat GPT, now if I want to pin this particular website over my browser, just simply right click over this tab and hit pin. Once you do that, you can see a icon will for this page will appear right in front of you, and you cannot cross this. So accidentally, if you are doing any work and you don't want the tab to close accidentally, you can just simply add that as a pin, and now you can do multiple works. That particular page will be pinned for you, and you can achieve it anytime you want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.